Namaste. This is dietitian Purva Singh, and today we talk about breath. Breath is the most vital process of a body. It influences the activities of each and every cell of the body, and is intimately linked with the performance of the brain. Human beings breathe around 15 times per minute, which should be actually it should be around 12 to 11 to 12. And then what happens, the breathing affects so many process of the body, like muscular contraction, cell what do you call it, the glandular secretion of the cells, the cell functioning, the mental process, and then so many process depends on how you are taking the oxygen. But how many of us are actually breathing properly? Around 50% of us don't know how to breathe properly. And that is something that's creating a lifestyle disease in us. It's creating lethargy. Mentally we are unbalanced. We are not in a balanced state of mind. Most of us are in a physical, emotional and mental blockages, and it's leading to the personality disorder, the lifestyle disease, and so many things. So what we can do to improve our breathing? Actually, I'll tell you how we are ideally how we breathe and how ideally we should be breathing. We are just filling the half our lungs when we are breathing. We are not breathing properly, and so we have a shallow breathing, and we are just filling. And we are just taking out. We're not even giving time to our cells to assimilate and take in oxygen which we are giving up. We are just doing it, inhale and exhale suddenly. So the breath should be deep and rhythmic. Slow, deep, rhythmic breath is required. For example, I'll tell you how do we breathe. How should we? Ideally, what happens? When we inhale, we fill our lungs, and then we fill our belly. So as our belly inflates, it pulls down the diaphragm. It is the diaphragm is the muscles, the separating the thoracic area, that is the lung area, and our abdomen area. It separates these two cavities. So what happens when we are inhaling properly, belly inflates and it pulls down the diaphragm. Diaphragm, when it is pulled down, then what happens? Your lungs get more place to fill, themselves with oxygen. So they're more filling themselves with more oxygen. And as you exhale, you contract your lung, you contract your belly. As you contract your belly, this diaphragm rises up, and it pushes the lung, and it pushes the entire the toxic air which is left inside us. Most of us, when we are doing shallow breathing, half the toxic air stays inside our lungs. We're not taking it out. So this is what is happening, and because of this all these diseases are happening. So this is called abdominal breathing. So in this workshop which we have taken last week, we have learned how to do abdominal breathing, how to breathe properly to live a healthy lifestyle, which is so important. You know what they say, the breathing and your breathing and your life, actually the lifespan, are mutually connected. You must have seen the animals with a very short lifespan. They breathe shallow and very fast. And the animals with a good lifespan, like elephants, tortoise, they breathe very slow. So actually your breath is also interconnected, linked with your lifespan. And it affects your mental state also. The breathing and your mental, the mind are connected together. Whatever the way you are taking your breaths, the mental state would be the same. If you are taking shallow breath, fast breathing, mentally you would be agitated, restless. And as you take a deep, slow breathing, it's going to affect your mind, and you will become calm, and it will soothe your nerves, and you'll be calm, quiet, peaceful. And the same way, the state of your mind is going to influence your breathing. When your mind is agitated, restless, just observe how you start breathing. Your breathing becomes very slow, very shallow and fast. And as you calm down, you're in a peace, you're in a rested mind, your breathing becomes slow, rhythmic and deep. I'll give you one exercise to do this. You all can do that. Do one thing. Just one day, just sit in a comfortable position, and then breathe and observe your breath. Okay, you will realize after 5-6 breaths, your inhalation and exhalation are becoming longer. Automatically your breathing becomes slow and deep once you become aware of it and start doing it consciously. Most of the time your breathing is unconscious, but just try to bring awareness into your breath and see how it's going to change your entire personality. So let's breathe nicely. It is so important for each and every vital process of the body, every functioning of our body, every functioning of our cell. Breathe properly and stay healthy.